son?
Right. This is my other colleague from work. Her name is Michelle Tutu. She's here to explain about Plus263Health as well.
Ciao, ratings.
Salibonani, linjani. Mina Michelle Nomtandas Tutu. All the way from Gobulawayo. But we are here in Harare, also leading a product here too, Plus263Health. We realized that most of these things, so people from Matepelele then feel left out. Application here to try Plus263Health. Plus263Health is a mobile application where we download a phone. And then I download the phone in usukwanisa ukuthi utholane lo doctor wakho over the phone, ukuthi usukume uyesibhedlela hayi ukuthi ufone yikho mayenza, ukuthi ukhulume live via ifone yakho yikho yabe sokusenzakala. What you do is we are download the application yethu, and then bonke yabukufuna uyadinga nxa ufuna udoctor uyamthola khona phana, and then udoctor kubhalela i-prescription yakhe, and then ubusuyithumela ku-pharmacy, and then i-pharmacy bisi-deliver, all from the comfort of endlini.
Relocated kuphi nje?
Sise-Gun Hill eHarare, but see available online and on the phone, so see everywhere, just one click away, like he said.
Okay.
Yes.
Siyabonga.
Lathi siyabonga.
Awurandi.